Hi everyone. So from this module we are going to start building this beautiful looking movie project, right? So this is more like a IMDb website clone which will have all the details of the latest movies, and you can do a lot of stuff over here. So let me just walk you through this project. So first of all, you see this is the beautiful banner that we have created. This will keep on changing randomly as we will get newer movies, right? So all of these data are getting we are getting from a real time API. So whenever that API updates, our app will also update simultaneously, right? So over here, if we see, we have these two options. One is movies, one is watch list. So first let's talk about this movies component. So in this movies component, you will see that there are all of these movies that are coming from the external API, right? So these are all the latest movies that are coming from that API, and you can see all the data, all these details of them, right? And right now what we can do is we can just hop on to this watch list. So now we'll also be implementing routing, right? So this is one component, this is another component. So we'll be implementing React routing so that we can hop through different components. If I click on this watch list, you see right now I'm at another component. So I'll delete all of these movies first, right? So basically this is how your bare watch list component will look. We haven't added any movies in our watch list. So what is your watch list component? So from your movies component, you can select any movies that you want to add to your watch list, which you want to watch or whatever you want to do with that movie, right? So let me just do something. If I go over here and if I just add Oppenheimer, you see this emoji, right? So you can just click on this, and this basically means that whenever you have clicked on this particular movie has been added to your watch list, right? Similarly, you can select any more movies. So let me just select Mission Impossible. Let me just select Five Nights at Freddy's, and let me just select the creator, right? So these four movies I have selected, and all of these four movies will now be added to my watch list. So over here you see in my watch list I have all of these four movies, right? Interesting thing, if you notice that all of these movies have specific genres, right? So Oppenheimer is a drama, Mission Impossible is action, Five Nights at Freddy's is horror, and the creator is again a sci-fi movie, right? So these four movies have four different genres. So if you notice, you see over here at the top also we have got all of these four genres. And what does that mean? That means that we can filter out all of these movies based on these genres. So if I click on drama, you will see Oppenheimer. If I click on action, Mission Impossible. Horror, Five Nights at Freddy's. Sci-fi, the creator, right? Similarly, let me add something that is animated. So I do not see anything in this page that is animated. So we have also implemented pagination. So if you see right now we are at the first page. If I click on the forward button, it will take me to the second page, and this will basically render out a different movie list for me. That is at the second page's API call, right? So now you can see that I have this Trolls movie, which I think is animated. So I'll just click and I'll add this. As soon as I add this, you see this will be added over here, and another genre has been added, that is animation. So now I can filter out based on this animation filter as well, right? So basically see, everything is happening real time. Genre filter is updating. You can filter this out. Also you can sort these particular movies based on the ratings, right? You can also apply this feature to your popularity as well, right? So if I go over here, you see top arrow and a bottom arrow, right? So basically if I click on this top arrow, you see all of these movies are sorted in ascending order, right? So that from the least rated movies to the most highly rated movie is basically they are present in that order. And then you can click on this particular down arrow, and now they are all sorted in descending order, right? So it'll also be applying sorting over here. Similarly, this can be applied to the popularity as well. And this is your genre section, which will actually show that what genre is this particular movie. So based on these particular values, we'll be implementing this filter as well, right? That how you can filter out all of these movies. Then you have this delete button. You can click on this delete button if you want to delete some movie from your watch list. So if I just want to delete Five Nights at Freddy's, so I can just click on delete, and this particular movie will be deleted, and also your filter will be updated, right? Then you also have this search feature. So you can add multiple movies in your watch list, and suppose you want to search for any movie, right? So if I just want to search for the creator, so I can just write creator over here, and you see as soon as I just write even a short string of that particular movie, it just matches that particular string, and you are now able to search for your movies as well. So you'll be implementing this search feature as well, right? So this is how your watch list, your complete watch list is going to work. Then you have your movies component. You can route to your movies component. You can see all the latest movies. You can add, basically add your movies to your watch list. You can do pagination. You can do all of this stuff. And at the end, we'll be deploying this project to Netlify. Basically, I have deployed this to Netlify, And then what we'll be doing is you'll be able to show this to your recruiters, you'll be able to show this in your resume or profile that you have built this project, right? So this is how basically we are going to go through this project for this entire module. See you on the next lecture where we are going to set up our project and we are going to start building this. Thank you.